Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino Lemonade. First thing you gotta do is you open up this Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino mix and you pour a little bit into this glass. And last but not least, you get the lemonade mix and you get a scoop, pour into this glass, and last but not least, we pour in the water. And after that, we get the glass, and then we stir up not the glass, but the spoon. We stir up the lemonade and the Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino all together. And here is your Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino Lemonade. Enjoy, folks, and have a great day. Or great evening. Thank you.